Peccaries are the American members of the swine group. They resemble small, dark pigs with manes which can stand up and bristle when the animals are aroused. At the zoo, these creatures are very noisy during feeding time. A keeper opens an iron door. The peccaries start munching and chewing their meal of celery, and then several engage in a short argument. Sharp, strong tusks in both jaws, which they click together rapidly when angered. The hippopotamus can on occasion give vent to loud snorts and roars. Despite its large size, this animal can move rapidly. This female hippopotamus seems to delight in snorting, and for no apparent reason, frequently rolls over and over in the water like a spinning log. The puma or cougar is a large cat found in North and South America. Pumas sometimes scream in a startling manner. A gentle male puma enjoys having its head scratched and its body rubbed. The cat is pressing against the bars of the cage. After some prolonged petting on the part of the keeper, this puma responds with a variety of calls and will frequently purr like any contented house cat. A not-so-gentle female puma is the mother of 2 kittens. Curiously, she becomes enraged at the sight of certain keepers, and by yowling and spitting, voices her displeasure in no uncertain terms. Feeding time at the Lion House is always exciting and noisy. The huge cats pace back and forth, impatiently awaiting their meal. Two keepers feed the cats. One opens a small gate in the cage with an iron bar. The second spears a piece of meat with a big fork and shoves it through the gate. The roar of the African lion is an awe-inspiring sound, and the Lion House actually trembles when all the cats roar at the same time. At the zoo, the lions can be depended upon to roar about a half hour after feeding. The Indian elephant utters a number of sounds. Some originate in the throat, and others are produced by blowing air through the trunk. The famous shrill trumpet, varying in tone, indicates anger or want. A loud throat roar is caused by extreme anger. Low, deep rumblings at the base of the trunk express contentment. A soft warning sound is made by rapping the tip of the trunk on the ground. During their daily outdoor shows, frequently the elephants will loudly express their resentment. When the elephants are exercised indoors, their voices echo throughout the building. Some of their musical trumpets sound like rifle shots.